COVID-19 infections are dropping in most states as the country pushes past the Omicron peak. As a result, nearly a dozen states are now updating their mask policies, some as soon as today. A handful have also committed to ending mask mandates in schools. Melanie's joining us now. Mel, the CDC, though, says that it is still too soon to make these changes.
Yeah, we know in other states it's much different than it is here in Florida, so this gives you that perspective. According to the CDC, there are still about 290,000 cases every day. The agency, along with other health officials, say masks still need to be worn indoors for the next few weeks. 4 states plan to lift school mask mandates by the end of March: Connecticut, Delaware, New Jersey, and Oregon. The policies are under consideration in California, New York, and Rhode Island. Courts are deciding the issue in Illinois. New Jersey Governor Phil Murphy says he has gotten positive feedback about lifting the school mask mandate.
We're not declaring victory, but we are stating affirmatively that we can responsibly live with this thing. Our case count, hospitalizations, the spot positivity rate, the rate of transmission are all dropping like a rock.
But the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention says nationwide numbers haven't fallen far enough. CDC Director Rochelle Walensky says kids should still wear masks in schools. And the same goes for any public indoor setting in places with high transmission. Now, more parents have decisions to make.
What we really need is we really need good criteria whereby which local agencies can actually make those decisions, because otherwise you have individual parents trying to gauge whether or not they should listen to the CDC or whether or not they should listen to their school board, and that's a really tough decision to make.
Health officials have some decisions to make too.
If the CDC guidance that they're putting out is now not being followed by virtually anyone, that makes the CDC and our federal public health authorities have less credibility. And so I really believe that they need to be changing their guidance.
Now we checked the Duval County Public School District website this morning, and so far only 109 students have reported having COVID and 52 staff members. Those numbers are down from just a couple of weeks ago.